So a big welcome from HDM to Parmy Panesar from APsystems. Announced yesterday, of course, that you are now a platinum partner for HDM. Tell us a little bit about APsystems, a bit of the background of the company and what people need to know.
So thank you very much, Ian, for giving me the opportunity to discuss APsystems. APsystems is a global manufacturer of microinverters. That's how at least it started. It's the world's largest multi-platform microinverter manufacturer, and beginning from the Silicon Valley in 2010, becoming a profitable company by 2012, and since then, since our arrival in Europe in 2016, it's only gone from strength to strength. So I mentioned that it's the world's largest multi-platform, and that means basically that we have a system, a topology where we've got one micro that can connect to 2 panels, one micro that can connect to 4 panels, and even 8 panels as well. Yeah. So the higher you go, it becomes commercial, and then at the residential level, we've got the ones that connect to 2 and 4 panels as well.
So from HDM's perspective, being a platinum partner to APsystems, what benefits does that bring to you and to their customers?
So we've pretty much started this journey together at the same time in parallel. So when I joined APsystems as vice president, literally 2 years ago, that's when the whole HDM movement began as well. So it's interesting, and it's quite exciting times to go on that journey together and grow together as well. And as you've just mentioned, just yesterday, we've mentioned that we've become platinum partners. So that's a big thing for us, and I'm sure it is for yourselves as well, because we've got 2 companies on a similar trajectory in terms of their growth, and so we can monitor each other and grow together and mature together as well as we go into various markets and join as partners.
And the products that are available through HDM, just explain the sort of the range of microinverters and how that range then might develop in the future.
Okay, so we started initially with just microinverters. I say just, but at that time it was revolutionary because you only have microinverter as a topology, or you have string inverters. So it's almost like a battle where it's about education more than anything else. Through education you get adoption, and from adoption then people understand that this really is the way forward. Yeah. So microinverter, which is how we started, is essentially as a specialist in MLPE, so modular level power electronics, having worked for the 4 largest MLPE companies in the world, is really like a string inverter joined to an optimizer. So it gives you the monitoring, modular level monitoring, it gives you the modular level optimization, as well as the safety, but also most critically now and most importantly, converts the DC into AC on the roof, which is in the guidelines of PAS and MCS. So everyone is going towards safety. So this is certainly the way forward. And our sweet spot in the UK has been with social housing, with new builds and residential installers who've understood that this is going to be the way of the future. Yeah. So that's the microinverters. We've now also added the residential battery solution, so do 5 and 10 kilowatt hour battery storage, and then on top of that we also have CNI battery storage, and we're also bringing into the European market rapid shutdown specific device, which is for your commercial use, and probably the hottest topic at the moment, which is DIY plug-in solar, which we are the innovators. So we introduced this range Firstly in Germany, back I think 6-7 years ago, and it's been a huge success for us. But now with all the announcements from the current government, we're set to take pole position again with plug-in solar, as innovators, with the right products, with the right variations as well. So simple plug-in as well as hybrid as well.
Brilliant. Thanks very much.
Thank you, my pleasure.